So, you have made a video, and you get this dreaded error. Compiling movie. Export error. A low-level exception has occurred. Writing exporter. Etc, etc, etc. Sector 9, error code 3. And in my case, my error happens around time code 00000, which, if we go and look at 00000, is absolutely nothing. Now, if I happen to just move these just a hair, and we try it again, it still fails. It's not anything to do with that. I'm gonna preface this. I may do a lot of editing through all this video, mainly because you've been here before. You've already done all the stupid stuff that you've heard everywhere else about exporting error. Every time I try to export, both in Premiere Pro and Media Encoder, tried every fix, yada yada yada, and it all tells you to reset preferences, update your GPU drivers, try going in H.265 instead, turn off all accelerating encoding, essentially going to media cache or media and unenabling this and going and dumping your backup files. And none of that works. Here's the fix. We're thinking about this wrong. We're trying to fix an error we cannot find in our timeline. What I have figured out is you open up a new project. Alright? And what you do is, because you have here's the original assets, you highlight all this. You hit copy. You go to your other one here. You just find it, usually this will be blank if you start a new one. You right click. You hit paste. It pastes all this. Cool. All your assets are now on a timeline, or on another file, which then you can hit save. There has no timeline. So like if I go and let's just not deal with any of that noise right now. Alright, so we come back over to original C battle. Or you can switch over here. Perfect. Copy. Paste. Alright, you can't just right click, you have to hit Control V. Suddenly, you can now come in here, knock that down like that. Name it test 2, whatever, make sure it's match source, everything else you want, hit export. It's going to have to re-render a bunch of required files because you just generated a new save. And voila, you're now encoding. We bypassed whatever problem is on the other timeline without having to do any recuts and not actually moving any files and refinding all your files. I hope this is helpful. I'm keeping it very short. Until then, fly reckless, peace. I'm Jack B. Flippin with Mission Reloaded Gaming. Have fun.